Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Today we are cleaning and decorating for spring 2020 and I am so excited. These are my favorite kinds of videos to film, and if you missed my last video, definitely go check it out. I already kind of decorated my dining room, my formal sitting room, and my entryway area, and today is just going to be a continuation of that. We're adding a few spring touches to the kitchen and the family room, but it's not going to be totally done today. This is definitely going to be a series where I post probably throughout February different decorating videos until I get my house exactly how I want it, and then come March I'll definitely do a spring home tour. So definitely be on the lookout for that. And if today's video gives you spring inspiration, spring cleaning motivation, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. That really helps me out. And let's go ahead and get started. So today we're starting off in my family room. I just needed to pick up some stuffed animals that my daughter Emma had left in here, and I'm not doing a ton of decorating in here. I'm starting out using what I already had on hand. When I'm decorating for a season, I really like to take my time and just add little pieces here and there, and that's why I always tend to decorate on the early side, if you've noticed that. But I added this pretty green spring wreath to the chalkboard. It had a Valentine's Day saying on it, but I decided to take that off and just add a pop of greenery just to kind of liven up the space. And then I'm going to go ahead and do my normal cleaning routine in here, fluff the pillows, and just kind of wipe down the surfaces. I have a lot of new faces around here, so I wanted to formally just take a second and say hello. My name is Amy, and I'm so glad that you're here. Here on my channel, you'll find that I love all things farmhouse decor. I love cleaning and organizing, and I love homemaking. It's my heart and my passion, and I'm so glad that you stopped by today. If you like what you see, make sure you hit that little red subscribe button down below. Spring is my favorite time of year. I love seeing the weather get warmer and for everything to turn green. I love the clean and fresh feeling that it brings to my home. Spring cleaning is another thing that I look forward to. It's just great. And I really do love decorating for this season. I don't go overboard. I still kind of stay in my simplistic, effortless vibe that I like to have throughout my home. I don't like a lot of clutter, so you'll notice that, but I'm just adding small little touches of greenery, maybe some lavender, just to kind of bring the space to life and make it feel fresh. I found this adorable bunny pillow at HomeGoods. It was such a good find. I actually saw the back of the pillow first, and it's gray and plaid, and I thought it would go with my living room, and then I turned it around and saw those bunnies and just had to snatch it up. So here in my mantle area, I had taken all my Valentine's decor down, and I'm just kind of moving pieces around. I would not say that I'm redecorating today. I'm still waiting on a couple of pieces that are supposed to come in the mail, but I found these tiny little topiary planters at the Target dollar spot. They were super inexpensive. I got 2 of them, and I think they are so cute. You'll see I ended up moving them here and using them on my mantle. I just kind of stacked them up on books just to give them a little bit of height. And then I'm also adding just another little family picture there just to kind of balance out the mantle. I always have the hardest time decorating this. I spend the most time on my mantle. I'm not sure why, but I ended up removing the lamb's ear and adding just some floral stems. They're from Hobby Lobby, just because I feel like they matched the topiary better and gave more of a spring vibe. Moving on to my kitchen eating area, this area was a mess. Usually when I film clean and decorate with me videos, my house isn't that messy. I'm doing mostly decorating, but today you're getting a lot of cleaning motivation as well. I just needed to declutter the table. There were still dishes from our lunch. We had Chick-fil-A on this day, and if you didn't already notice, I changed my sweater because when I ate lunch, I spilled Chick-fil-A sauce all over my shirt. So if you notice that, that's why I changed my shirt. But now I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe down the table, get it clean and fresh, and then I'm gonna add some really cute touches in here as well. Somebody told me don't pretend, 'cause everyone could use I had gone to Hobby Lobby a few weeks back and I was looking in their spring shop, and they have added so many cute things to the spring shop. They have a lot more kitchen items now than they ever have, but I just picked up this really cute jute runner. I love the little fringes on the end. I think that it looks super cute on a white table. I love the contrast of it. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab a vase, and I'm just adding some fresh white tulips. Nothing says spring to me like white tulips. I think that they smell amazing and they make the space just scream spring. I think they are so pretty. I'm just cutting them down and arranging them how I like them, and then I'll go ahead and move on. Let me take a breath. If you're a returning subscriber, then you know above these windows in our kitchen area, I used to have a gather sign. I added this in the fall months and I love it, and I'm going to keep it again and probably use it in the fall and winter months. But I was at an antique shop, it's local to where I live, yesterday, and I found this really cute farmer's market sign, and I only paid $5 for it, you guys. I was so excited about this. As soon as I saw it, I thought this would be perfect in my kitchen area, and I love the way that it turned out. And talk about clutter. Oh my goodness, my island was a hot mess on this day. I had brought some of the decor in and we had lunch still sitting out. So I'm just getting everything picked up and put away, and then I'll go ahead and wipe down my countertops before I do a little bit of decorating. If you're wondering what I'm cleaning with today, that thieves cleaner that I showed you earlier is what I'm using on all of the surfaces in my home. It's a concentrated cleaner from Young Living, and I just dilute it with water and I spray pretty much everything down in my house with it. I love the way it smells, and it has really good immune boosting properties. So just wanted to let you guys know that, because I know some of you will ask. I decided to add a tray to my island. I saw pictures on Pinterest of this and I wanted to kind of do my own spin on it. So I added this really pretty white tray and then a white pitcher, and again I added another bunch of tulips to the space. They're my favorite spring flower. Let me know in the comments below, what is your favorite spring flower? And to the flowers, I'm gonna add this really pretty white bowl. I found it at Home Goods, and then I'm gonna fill the bowl with these really pretty handmade decorative eggs. I found them on Etsy. I'll try to link the shop down below, but I loved these because they were very farmhouse. They're super neutral and simple. They didn't scream Easter, and I think that they make the perfect spring touch. Some way I can make it all right, 'cause I know that you did. And just to balance out the tray, I'm adding a Bath & Body Works candle. This one is called Cactus Blossom, and it smells amazing, and the packaging is so pretty. But moving right along, I have my island cleared, so I'm feeling better. I'm gonna get the rest of the countertops cleared and the dishes put away and cleaned, and then I'm gonna go ahead and wipe these countertops down as well. We planned a very last minute trip to Disney last weekend, and we went with the family and we had so much fun and made so many good memories. It's something that I'll never forget and I'll cherish forever. But we left in such a rush and kind of on a whim, like I said, so the house was totally in disarray when we got back, and today I'm paying for it a little bit, but it feels really good to get everything clean and back in order. I typically like to clean my house and then decorate in a clean space, but every once in a while I like to decorate first, and that kind of motivates me to get cleaning. Let me know in the comments below, which do you prefer? Are you somebody that needs the house totally clean before you can decorate, or do you like to kind of decorate and have everything in its place and then get the house in order? To always be there, and I want you to know. So if you're wondering where anything is from today, definitely check my Amazon storefront. I have a spring section where a lot of this decor came from, but if there's something that's not there, don't worry. When I do my spring home tour, I'll definitely share where most everything is from and go into more detail. Today, you're just getting that cleaning and decorating motivation.
one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go.
Now, if you missed my last video, definitely go check it out because I decorated this space as well as my entryway. But I'm moving in here just to open up the windows and brighten up the space, and I'm going to go ahead and diffuse some essential oils. Today I'm diffusing orange and lavender, and the combination was amazing. My house smelled so good.
Just living my life with no.
Now, I'd already decorated this space as well, but I decided to add a third pillow to the bench area, and I feel like it complemented the other pillows really well, and I love the way that this turned out.
Finding myself on my.
I'm also going to make a few touches here in the dining room. These little herb kind of signs or frames, whatever you want to call them, I found at Kirkland's a few years ago, but I think they still have them, at least online. And now I had been working all morning in here and I had made a huge mess, so I'm just going to get all of this picked up, and then I'm also going to add a few more spring touches to this area.
I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives.
So here on my hutch area, I took my kickstand down and I decided to add these super cute bunny plates. I found them at Pier 1 because my Pier 1 is actually closing and they had a crazy sale. I think that they are so adorable. I don't know what it is about bunnies, but they are so cute. And then I'm also going to just add a little bit of lavender just to make it feel a little more like spring.
Today, I'm gonna lock my door and stay inside or wait until I'm safe again. I have nothing more to put on. I'm defeated and withdrawn, just trying to understand where it went wrong. Always believe that nothing.
Okay, so over here on these shelves, it had been a minute since I had dusted them, so I decided to take everything off and just wipe them down really quick. And then I'm going to go ahead and put everything back, but I'm also going to add this really pretty lavender plant I found at HomeGoods, as well as this super cute little watering can. You can see there it says Flowers and Garden on it. I found that at Hobby Lobby and just added a little bit of greenery to that. And now I'm showing you the curtains that I have bought for this window. Funny story, I found the perfect ones. I didn't end up going with drop cloths. I found something that I liked better and it was pretty inexpensive. But the rod that I bought was the wrong size. So originally I was going to put them up in this video, but not today. They'll be in my next video. So we had a bunch of friends over for dinner the night before, and whenever we have company, I don't do a very good job of cleaning up my dining room. I just kind of put everything in the kitchen and then try to spend as much time with the company as I can. But now this needed a good wipe down, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just wiping down the table and then kind of spot cleaning the chairs, and then I will sweep the floors, and this room will be all ready for spring.
I wanna stay wide open. I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing.
I hope that you enjoyed today's clean and decorate with me for spring video. I always love these kinds of videos. They always bring me just a little bit of inspiration and motivation to get my home in order. There is nothing like a clean and fresh home ready for spring. If you did like today's video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Again, that really helps me out. And make sure you let me know in the comments what you enjoyed about it. And I'll see you all really soon in the next one. Bye guys.